Assalamualaikum. Today with GMC Tera. I want to know something, just real quick. Some technicians. This is a plug wire. Okay, as you can see, this is come over here, not there. And someone, as you can see, fix it here. As you can see, okay, this one needs to just okay. Some technicians, okay, maybe next time he will be very clear at this same side. So 4.3 GMC theorem, fixing very quick with the misfire. As you can see, there is some ground damage to DTC, engine is protected, and we go to, you can see live data and misfire. As you can see, this misfire number 4, this is current no 0 because engine is on off. And this is misfire history surrender. As you can see, now I have to start the vehicle. No misfire, but just need to idle and reset. Some, I think, just maybe new technicians. Okay, we have to know special functions, idle and reset. Okay, sorry. And reset, going to reset. Okay, now we have to go into this code subsole and bismillah, and on this you can idle. Everything is going properly. This tire, you don't know this. I don't see too much fixing people in Middle East. Just now gain live data.